So the first question comes in from Lloyd. He says, I have some older IFTTT accounts, and when I went to log into IFTTT, I noticed all my tier 2 recipes have been turned off. Any idea as to why? Too many RSS feeds, so IFTTT turns them off because it looks like spam. All are re-enabled, so it's working fine now. I don't know. I mean, I saw the post in the Syndication Academy Facebook group about that. I think, Lloyd, I don't know if it was you that posted it or what, but I saw a similar post about that. A couple other people commented and said the same thing. That would be a question that I would direct at IFTTT. I'm not sure why that is. I haven't experienced that. Well, I mean, of course, I haven't gone through all of my different networks that I have running to see if anything's been turned off, but the ones that I have seen recently, I haven't seen that problem. So I don't know why that is. I know that typically what happens if they're going to turn off recipes or applets, as they're called now, you usually get email notifications prior to them turning off. Like if there's a reason that they're going to turn them off, if they need attention, for example, or something. Or if they turn them off, you typically get a series of emails saying, that an applet's been turned off or disconnected and it needs to be reconnected. So usually there's some sort of warning signals. If they just arbitrarily turn them off, I don't know why. And that, again, would be something that, I mean, if I had an answer for you, Lloyd, I'd certainly give it to you, but I don't. So that's something that, obviously, I don't work for IFTTT. I would direct that sort of a question to them, to their support, and see what their explanation is for that. So